Ministry is not just about pulpits, microphones, or church buildings. Ministry is not a title or a Sunday activity. Ministry is a lifestyle. Every believer is called to live in such a way that their life itself becomes a sermon, a living letter that others can read. Today, we're going to explore what it means to make ministry not just something you do, but something you are. 2 Corinthians 5 verse 20 says, "We are ambassadors for Christ, as though God were making his appeal through us." Notice it doesn't say we become ambassadors only on Sunday. It says we are ambassadors. Ministry is our identity. Wherever you are, in your office, at the grocery store, in your family, you represent Christ. That is lifestyle ministry. Jesus said in John 15 verse 5, "I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit." Ministry as a lifestyle is not about striving or burning out. It's about overflow. When you abide in him, when you stay connected to the vine, ministry flows naturally. It's the fruit of intimacy with God. Ministry is not always grand gestures. Jesus washed feet, he broke bread, he walked with people. Colossians 3 verse 17 says, "Whatever you do in word or deed, do everything in the name of the Lord Jesus." That means folding laundry can be ministry. Running a business can be ministry. Listening when someone needs to talk, that's ministry. Every act of service becomes sacred when done in his name. Matthew 5 verse 14 says, "You are the light of the world." Light doesn't have to announce itself. It just shines. Your consistency, your integrity, your love, that's your ministry. Lifestyle ministry is not just about preaching with words, but letting your life reflect Christ in such a way that others are drawn to him. Ephesians 4 verse 11 tells us about apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors, and teachers. But ministry is not limited to titles. 1 Peter 2 verse 9 declares, "You are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood." That means every believer is called to ministry. Not everyone will stand behind a pulpit, but everyone has a pulpit at their desk, in their classroom, in their home, in their community. So, how do you live ministry as a lifestyle? Start each day by asking, "Lord, how can I serve and represent you today?" Carry prayer into your work, family, and conversations. See every environment as your mission field. Let your words be seeds of life. Make generosity and encouragement your default. When ministry becomes your lifestyle, you don't turn it off. You live it everywhere, every day. Ministry as a lifestyle means you don't need a microphone. You just need to be available. It's about being a vessel of God's love wherever he places you. So today, let your life preach, let your walk testify, let your love shine. Ministry is not an event, it's who you are. Romans 12 verse 1. Present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship.